afternoon, this is Brad Langdon, MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I'm going to walk you through a 2023 Harris 250 Crowne. We'll start up front. To the starboard side, you see your starboard seating. Port side, you see your port seating. This boat comes with an ottoman that doubles as a cooler with a drain inside. Moving aft, you'll see in the floor you have in-floor storage. On the port side, you're going to have a large entry door. Plenty of cup holders everywhere you look on this boat. At the helm, you're going to have helm storage here. You're going to have your built-in Simrad GPS depth finder. You have charging ports for your phone, a JL audio control system for your stereo, tilt steering wheel, easy to operate toggle switches, digital throttle and shift. And for your helm chair on this boat, you're going to have a high back helm chair. And it does recline very comfortably. Looking aft, you'll see you have SL lounger. Now on this Crowne, it's got an electric switch that moves this seat back forward and backwards. You've got a tower on this boat with LED lighting. Continuing aft, you're going to see you have plenty of cup holders back here. Very large storage area underneath your settee back here in the back. Battery switches back here as well. This boat comes with a tow port, a 400 Murphy outboard. Also has a dive step swim ladder back here. And that's going to be your 2023 250 Harris Crowne. If you want to come see the boat, come by Lake Norman MarineMax. Thank you.